Hi there, welcome to De-armouring tutorial online. De-armouring in its essence is very different to any other type of therapy, any other type of bodywork. There are many different ways of doing de-armouring, but the essence of de-armouring is the same. So it's very different to anything else I've come across. One of the biggest differences between other forms of massage, if you like, and de-armouring. In dearmouring, I'm not interested in pain, in physical pain. I'm not interested just to relax a muscle. I'm interested to transform whatever is in your system that you cannot relax. Whatever muscle structure, whatever behavioral pattern, whatever part of your life doesn't work. I'm hoping that this series of tutorials will show you many ways and useful hints and tips of how to actually work with it and how to help people transform and heal and open and harmonize.